Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and in today's video I'll be working with Amanda Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in curly and 28 inches. It is also 250 density, so we are really nice and full. In today's video, I showed you guys how I laid this lace down for it to melt flawlessly into my skin, how I did my baby hairs, and how I detangled the hair. I am using a new product and it is literally chef's kiss. So if you would like to see how I did that, don't forget to check the links in the description box to purchase this wig directly. And let's jump into today's video.
I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you, know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a rock with the working. Cause you know I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no game. all again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, get you my last name. I know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna leave. Yeah. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the ground, trying to see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix it. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, that. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look right. Your body drive me, oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see.
Babes, so I am finally back and this is the finished look. This wig is from Amanda Hair and they went ahead and sent me their 28-inch 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in curly. It is 250 density and she is actually like really full, like super duper full. I just spent about 30 minutes just doing a little bit of cleaning my space, my bathroom, and girl, now we're back here. The hair is pretty much dried down. It's still damp here, but for the most part, like hair just really dry. So this is just the amount of fullness that you'll receive when the hair in the top is dry. I'm sure it will, like, you know, just have a little bit more height to it, but that is it. I am really feeling this hair. The curl pattern is everything, and I also did not go in and manipulate it with a brush. I just finger detangled and I got minimal shedding. This is just what it looks like, and I would highly recommend this unit because it is 250 density. It was super easy to pluck. It came pre